Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. Call them poor. Okay?
Right, like the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever, Laura.
People that use fiat.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever, Laura.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. Money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay?
Right, like the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
right, I mean, Right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as forevermore.
People that use fiat.
What do you do with the
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
G to the freaking M, the trenches, the trench warriors. What's up, guys? What's going on? We're back to the Memecoin show, and today is a special day because the trenches are back in full swing. I got my man here, Alex. Alex, what's up?
Yo, 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 yo! The trenches are back. I can't be more happy right now. I cannot be more happy.
The trenches are back. How do you feel about it? It's a special day today, special edition, live stream. If you're just joining us, guys, you already know the freaking rules of the game. Retweet, like, subscribe to it. Whichever channel you're watching this from, you better make sure that you subscribe to it. That's law right there.
That is a legit low.
That is low. So you guys, you gotta do the right thing right now. Go to the moon. Alex, you good?
I am. I'm trying to figure out the thing and start my own live stream, so I need quite a second.
Sure. Trench warriors, good morning, good evening, good night. We know it's Friday night, so it's not going to be the longest stream in the world because we know you guys want to go out there and spend all your Solana on some other things outside. But better believe that the market is back. So if you thought that you were locked in, you better be even more locked in right now. What's wrong with my chair? Much better. Here we go. All right, let's trench. If you can hear me, if you can hear Alex perfectly, drop that W so that we know that this.
If you can see us as well, type WW in the chat, please.
Absolutely, chat. It's that time of the day. The Memecoin show is back. Always never on time, but it's what we do here. Okay, always never on time. But it's an exciting day in the market overall. It's not the same anymore. We got Bitcoin running at 97,500 right now. The top was 98,000 in the last few hours. Ethereum 2,700. XRP is now at 275. And then the top performer of today is official Trump coin. Alex, can you believe it? The Trump is coming back.
I highly recommend you guys to start following the Alpha group because guess what? Yesterday at the daytime, I were telling in the Alpha group, but I'm actually buying Trump coin at the very moment. I'm buying every single dip. Everything you're saying here is not a financial advice, and it's not a financial advice even for an Alpha group. But I did mention it yesterday with the link on CoinMarketCap. So guys, if you know, you know.
Yep, it's a good call. It was a good call. Trump is happening. Do you know why Trump is pumping today?
Because of for every single decision plus the unlock is happening very soon, and market is getting excited about everything what's going on.
The main news is actually the Trump ETF, that there might be an ETF for the Trump coin or some kind, because Dogecoin, I saw Murad posted this chart of Dogecoin ETF has 70% chance of being approved. So if you go on Polymarket, there's this whole Dogecoin prediction. Doge.
All right, it seems like I'm live as well. So if you can see me live, guys, say W in the chat as well, please, so I can be sure what I'm seeing everywhere, and I need to pull up your chat so I will see everything.
Okay, so we need to look at the Doge ETF. Doge ETF.
Yeah, actually, there is a couple of exciting ETF that have to go on. I mean, not have to, but there is high chances, I would say. There is Trump ETF, there is Doge ETF, there is XRP ETF, probably and likely Solana ETF as well. So
Yeah.
the market is going crazy right freaking now.
Yeah, so this is Murad says Doge ETF approval odds are now at 70%. The Doge ETF getting passed will even be more ultra bullish for top meme coins of this cycle. So obviously Murad's thesis is about meme coins, and he's basically just saying that if Dogecoin's ETF gets approved, which currently in the open markets has 70% chance of getting approved, if that does get approved, it's going to open the floodgates for meme coins across the board. And I think this is going to happen. So Abdul is asking me to explain poly market. It's just basically a prediction market that is decentralized. You can bet on anything or predict on any outcome. Like, will Putin meet with Trump in the first 100 days? That is a bet you can sort of, something you can predict on. So you buy the prediction, you can lose or make money depending on whether you're right or wrong. And they're very volatile. They change a lot depending on sentiments and stuff like that. There are markets on global trade wars. Will Trump impose large tariffs in his first 6 months? Chances are 52%. Trump tariffs on Mexico may in effect by May 1st. This is kind of a little bit too far out, so people haven't started. But I think it's going to come into play as well. So you can enjoy on it. It's on Polygon. It's on chain. Everybody out there can do it if they want to play around with these odds. All right, so what does the market overall look like today? If we go to crypto bubbles. You know what? Crypto bubbles is cute, but I'm gonna go back to Coin360 because they actually upgraded their system that it's so juicy right now. Viewing the markets have never been this sexy. Yeah, Coin360 better. Yeah, this is the one that I love. So they have the circle pack of what the market looks like, which is juicy. The only things that I read actually today, guess what, is BNB, Cardano, and that's it, and TRX. Do you know what happened to Cardano, Alex? I mean, to
no
BNB,
idea.
To BNB?
BNB, yeah, the meme coins.
Yesterday,
the meme coins happened with them.
Yesterday, they had this meme coin craze that CZ started, and it basically turned around really badly to the fact that it's now affecting their coin. Instead of going up, it's going down. Did you buy any of that?
No, I'm so glad I missed this bullet. The main thing happened when I'm sleeping. So right now I'm actually thinking one more time and rethinking, like maybe I shouldn't just sleep at all. But at the same time, I'm working the whole day. Like I'm literally working for 16 hours right now. So maybe I will just find the next one. But anyway, I mean, the Trump play went very good for me. It was like, I mean, I even got more than 32, I guess. I got like 40% right now of my position. So not so bad. Not so bad, I would say. But broccoli, flip, like.
Yeah, I mean, look, there are like so many things you can look at today and ask yourself, is this the end of the pump? Or
No, of course not.
Is this only the beginning? Right? Because there's things that are sort of questionable overall, and then there are things that are also extremely bullish. In your world today, out of everything you have heard, what is the most bullish thing you have heard about Bitcoin?
About Bitcoin?
Yeah.
I haven't really heard any of bullish news about Bitcoin itself. actually opposite. I'm hearing more and more bullish things about altcoins and altcoin season.
Okay, so I will tell you what happened today. That's bullish, pretty much. Do you know the? Let me just go to it right. Let me go to the news right now so that you understand. But there is Abu Dhabi. Have you heard anything about Abu Dhabi?
It's a very good city. I've been there a couple of times.
Now you're gonna love it more after
right.
after you learn this. I need you to read this news yourself.
They
can read it.
show to everybody how much they holding, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund, Mubadala Investment Company, is now the 7th largest holder of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF IBIT at $461 million, almost $500 million. This is, guys, if you don't know what Abu Dhabi is, Abu Dhabi, when you think Dubai is cool and all, but Abu Dhabi is grandeur. It has more money than Dubai. It is the capital of the UAE. Dubai is a city in the United Arab Emirates, and Abu Dhabi is the capital where all the money and the oil is. So these guys, they have taken their part of their sovereign wealth fund and put it into Bitcoin. You guys have no freaking idea what's going on. Now, there are people that were saying, oh, this ETF, what are they all about? Now you understand why ETFs are important. Because they allow the sovereign wealth funds to now buy Bitcoin because there is a structure for them that is legal to buy and to own Bitcoin. And this has now started the race for accumulating Bitcoin. This is only the beginning. Trust me, Bitcoin is not going to go lower than people think. If these guys are holding this much, the moment it goes down, they only have plans to buy more because countries like this and cities like this, they want to be at the top. The UAE government is the type of government that they're saying, look, if there's going to be the tallest building in the world, we want to have the tallest one. If there is an asset called Bitcoin, we want to be the #1 holding all of it. Now, as it stands, these are the top companies holding the most Bitcoin. Number 1, Goldman Sachs. Number 2, Millennium Management. Number 3, Symmetry Investment, Avenue Tech, Kapula Management, Aristeria Capital, and Mubadala Investment Company. Their ticker is right here. And their position in Bitcoin is $461 million. And so many people do not know this. They think that all these other big companies are not holding Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs is holding $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin. Do with that information what you will. Alex, how do you feel about this? And Russia is not even here on the list. What are you guys doing?
Oh, they will not be publicly on this list for sure. Russia publicly will never tell everybody what they are holding, and they will hold, right? It's super exciting for me, and also knowing what Abu Dhabi is basically sitting on a couple of $1 trillion of wealth and managing it, and showing publicly what they are owning $500 million worth of Bitcoin. It's very good news for the whole market because it's kind of like country support, not like the company support. So it's very exciting for me for sure.
But when is Russia gonna announce though? Don't you guys even
never,
get rumors?
Never, Russia.
But don't you even get rumors
Russia,
that we bought some Bitcoin, but don't tell the Americans. Don't you get something like that?
We are holding. It's my assumption. I have no idea what's actually going on, but knowing the culture and how they do things usually, they already have a large amount. Officially by holding and unofficially by mining and holding, they got a bunch, and they were using it in some shady or not shady moves to have this transaction all over the world, because USDT wasn't safe at all. USDT were actually freezing some accounts, not Russian one, but they were publicly freezing some wallets with an access, after FBI or whoever asks. And so Russia will never disclose how much are they holding, but they will hold a lot.
Russia will not disclose how much, but they will hold a lot. So we have looked at the macroeconomic sense of what the market look like and all the good news that's going on. I see here somebody says Barclays is also buying Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of people are now buying Bitcoin right now. It's crazy, guys. There's now a race for Bitcoin. There used to be rumors of people saying that we think that the the Dubai government or UAE are buying Bitcoin a few months ago, if you remember. Now it has been proven that they were actually buying. So the reason why Bitcoin was going up the way it was for the last few months is obviously because it was being bought by all these big guys out there. Everybody was doing their job, accumulating as much Bitcoin as possibly can. Now, do you want to share what's going on in the trenches? Now we know what's going on at the highest level of crypto, in the big caps, but what's going on in the actual trenches?
It seems like I missed like half of the news. I knew about the broccoli play from BNB, and my thought on this market is what basically BNB will not overtake Sol, but right now the volume on BNB and the fees, I mean the profit, what the chain does out of the transaction is bigger on BNB than on Solana. But at the same time, I'm kind of out of the context right now. So I will be happy if somebody from the chat will not only hit the like button, but actually share some ticker or some of knowledge with us. Or you, maybe you.
Yeah, I know what's going on with the broccoli thing. So what for you so far, what did you hear about the whole broccoli thing? Like, what do you know so far?
I mean, the whole market was excited about broccoli, same because CZ basically announced what he will publicly post his dog's picture and her name, and everybody were waiting. And then there was a couple of runners, not one particular, and each one of them were kind of dead at the very, very beginning. And right now, I actually right now can see a couple of runners, not one, not just one.
What are you looking at?
CoinMarketCap, there is broccoli, BNB at $116 million of market cap, with $270 million in volume and $7 million in liquidity, which is not so bad. The other one is $500,000 the same time.
Okay, so I can give you guys a breakdown of what happened with the whole BNB and CZ thing, right? Here's the story. There's been speculation on BNB chain. Obviously, the CZ himself, the CEO of Binance and the founder, he wants BNB to be the leader of the Memecoin trenches, because we are trading on Solana. And he's like, well, why is BNB not the leader? So I think they sat down and came up with a strategy and say, well, and I also gave you guys the heads up. I told you that the BNB guys are cooking something, right? I said this last week, that BNB is cooking something. They're going to come with so much fire. So CZ went out there and he came back saying, well, we want to be the leaders on meme coins. So he started doing some meme things. You have to remember, CZ was arrested by the American government. He served 6 months in jail because of some charges that they had on him, which was ridiculous because a lot of people, nobody in crypto has ever gone to jail for the reasons that they sent him to jail. And part of his deal with the US government to release him was that he was never going to be involved in crypto anymore. He's not going to be talking about crypto or whatever, right? But after Trump became president, I think the landscape has changed a little bit. He is now feels like, well, if the president is doing meme coins, I mean, is it wrong for me to just tweet a little bit about meme coins? I would do it too. So they made a plan to say, let's bring memes to BNB. What's the best way to do it? Well, CZ is the most famous crypto guy that is on Binance. So he realized that people like the dog. Crypto, the first meme is always the dog. So they say, oh, I'll release the name of my dog because everybody's trying to make a meme out of it. The whole idea was that if we launch a dog, we're going to get millions of people to be trading, looking for the dog to trade on BNB. Right. And then he came out and say, okay, the name of the dog will be announced at 8 p.m. in Dubai time. And then what happened after that? People were creating different kind of dog names before, speculating what name is going to be. So people got ragged on those ones because there was no official ticker. And CZ came out and said, well, my dog's name is Broccoli. And then everybody had to look for the right ticker because he said, well, the dog name is Broccoli, but I'm not launching a meme coin. I will let the community do the memes if they want. The best meme should win. Now you can imagine what happened after that. Everybody was searching for the right meme coin on Binance BNB. And then there were rags left and right because some of them were botted and sniped and everything. And at the end of the day, we have one that is considered a winner. That's the one that you're looking at now. It has reached $100 million. But then CZ posted it, and then people called him out. They're like, bro, you're basically supporting memes or scams or whatever because the tickers you're promoting, they are actually bundled and people already made millions out of them. So it didn't end quite well to the point that after this game, and then also during the trade, when the coin was launched, I don't know if you remember this, Alex, you couldn't even swap on PancakeSwap on BSC. When you tried to buy the Broccoli coin, the network was congested. So after all this drama, Binance BNB, including CZ himself, couldn't sustain a meme coin that was even above $500 million. Forget about $1 billion, they couldn't even do like $500 million. And then today already people are dumping BNB, people are dumping PancakeSwap, people are dumping all these BNB-based coins.
This is so crazy. I went to top traders on Broccoli Rob BNB, which is saying at 120 mil right now. And this is like 10 wallets who made approximately together around 30 to 40 million US dollars in profit with not bought.
Right.
They never get any of the coins, so they received it somehow from different wallets. This is so insane. I mean, understanding that, guys, you have to always know what you can't just make money. If you making 6 million, that means there are some people who lost the 6 millions, and that's the rules of the game. Yeah, but when this happened because of poor managing from CZ and BNB team, that's a little bit upsetting for me. I'm not fighting on it right now. I'm just like,
yeah, but did you look at the numbers?
This is so insane.
But did you look at the numbers, Alex, on like what was going on in terms of the trades and how much money people made from it? Broccoli?
You mean usual people or insiders?
Yeah, just like if you look at the top traders.
I mean, I can see there is like nobody actually did a lot except of those insiders.
Look, exactly, right? You can see these people bought nothing, paid zero.
Yeah.
And they walked away with $6.7 million.
Bunch of them.
Bunch of them. It's a lot of them. It's like you can see that they had roughly the same amount of tokens. These two wallets, this guy had 90 million tokens. This guy had 89 million, both 90 million tokens.
Oh my
they walked away with 6.7 million. This one 6.4 million. This one 5.5 million. And then Binance is trying to convince us that this is a meme coin. No, it's just a meme coin. It's a good meme coin. It's a community. I don't believe any of that crap. This is an insider play.
Yeah, or 100%.
Straight freaking up.
They knew. They were prepared.
So guys, you have to understand one thing right now, that in the trenches, we are on our own. We can't trust anybody. That's why we have to be so vigilant, and when we're here on the trenches, we have to support each other, because not even the big guys are going to support us. They're out there, everybody's trying to take our money. And we have to be smart about how we play the game to make sure that we win. Because if we don't, you already know how the trenches are right now. It's like there is no mercy in this game anymore remaining. Everybody trying to take our money left and right. But yeah, we don't have to give up on the trenches. This is still the opportunity. This is still the way. We just have to play it smart and harder. Anyway, let's get back into the real trenches of the Wild West, where things happen more organically, where we can win. Right now, the people are pumping BNB again, even after this news. But in my opinion right now, I think BNB has lost some steam. If the market had to nuke right now and go down, I would short it because I think it will go down further.
The bounce back have to happen at some point. But I love how the Bitcoin dominance right now, it just lost 0.5% in a matter of few hours. And I'm so excited to see this pump out of the main of altcoins right now.
Okay, so let's look at the trenches right now. What are on your side other than, I'm not touching broccoli personally. I don't even care. Like, I'm not going to buy a coin where someone who didn't even buy it already made $6.5 million. Like
40 mil together. Dude, you know how it works. It's one guy or one team. It's not different guys who knew.
It's Binance itself. It's Binance.
Yeah. I mean, they basically just split it to different wallet for some of their reasons, right? Maybe for liquidity, maybe for to have more diversified, and they knew what the blockchain itself will not handle all the pressure, and they tried from like 10 different wallets just to be sure the transaction will go through, and many stuff, and then they just depositing this money on the exchanges, and they are like clean, right? No one can ask. They're using all this like mixers, exchanges. And it's a matter of time when they will do something with this because they have to. It's like this is unfortunate for the whole trenches.
Yeah, so it looks like everything has a lifeline today. It's sort of looking up a little bit. Potentially things might bounce back and stuff like that. And it also feels like if you have been buying the dips of everything that struggled before, things are starting to come back up. You know, the likes of Modeng and stuff like that are starting to show some light a little bit. Today is kind of green. I think optimism is kicking back into the market and stuff like that. You know, like just look at Modeng right here. It's been sitting there for a while and it just bounced back a little bit with a swing on the way up. But no big numbers yet. We haven't seen the crazy numbers that we expect. But if Bitcoin, let's say, hit 100K again with some serious momentum, I think we're off to the races here. So it's a perfect time to clip a little bit more and take a lot on, you know, just like accumulate a little bit more. And there is also Full Send is also sending by the Nelk boys. Okay, so there is Nelk Boys coin, which is fake, and then there's Full Send. Full Send has maintained $63 million. So this coin is in the same category of Jail2 Sports by Dev Portnoy. You know how that coin ended up?
No idea.
Badly. So if
42 mils right now.
I'll tell you guys something, right? If the coin itself didn't, like, if you're not in on the first day, on the first hour, forget about it. At this point, this is just a dead cat bounce. After that, it's going to go down. Especially the celebrity coins. It's mainly the celebrities they don't really like crypto. They're not into crypto at all. They just want to make quick money and exit. The only reason that they make the coin, because somebody told them, yo, if we just use your brand, we can make money real quickly.
Right now, yeah. They're basically making, so they forget about the coin existing right after they launch it and make the profit.
So everybody is doing it. Rick Ross is launching his own coin. He said that he's doing a pre-sale, Full Send. So stay away from coins like this. Don't even bother at all. You can see Dave Portnoy, who is a guy who's probably a billionaire. It did this gel stew, right? Gel stew.
Yeah, I was just looking on it.
Right. He said, "Oh, we're gonna take it to the moon. I'm not gonna say what." Obviously, on the first day, it went all the way to 220 million. Now it's at 43 million already. This is down only from here. If you wanna see another example, Iggy Azalea launched a meme coin called Mother, and she did her best. She actually promoted it. She did a lot of work behind it. Even her, with all the work she did, she still couldn't sustain a coin, not even a little bit.
The sad part about it, I'm pretty positive, but there is the same group of cabal who doing it, who coming up to like kind of celebrities, yeah, who have like a couple of million followers, and like we'll pay you $500,000 for one tweet.
Yeah.
You're doing one tweet and you're receiving $500,000, and they're like, yeah, that's. I mean, Trump did it. It's all fine.
Yeah, especially after Trump did it, like, oh, look at Trump. He did it. He made billions. You're a big celebrity. You could also maybe make 500 million. They would tell them something like that. Because the celebrity, if they hear that, oh, $500 million, $500 million market cap, the celebrity think that she's going to have maybe $500 million. They don't know. So, guys, be careful in the trenches. It's not safe out there, especially with all these coins. But today I learned there's a coin called Dog something. Dog. I searched a coin. It's called Dog EXE, I think.
But if you will dig deeper, you will understand what actually the team of Trump will never do anything without thinking. They did it on purpose. It's 100%. They can't, like, you can't be this prepared and just do it because you want to do it or because you want to make some money, right? It was the whole, like, it's basically the whole game. And also about the current jump and the current meta is like, yeah, the price jumps today. But what else happened today? Today was a huge meetup between all the countries, and they were discussing anything except, I mean, they wasn't discussing any cryptocurrency at all, because there is very important game on the other hand. And the game of crypto will just start.
This is the play that I'm trading today. It's called dog.zip.
Dog.zip, all right.
Yeah. If you're in the alpha group, I already dropped this 1 hour ago when it was like $200,000 market cap. Now it's already 4x. So now I'm telling you guys here on the stream as well, if you want it. I think it's a more organic play, and it hasn't jittered just yet after a couple of hours. So maybe it have a lifeline, who knows? I just bought a little bit of it. I'm not expecting too much, but I'm like, there's nothing organic anymore, and I think the market is waiting for something new that is fresh, that's not coming out of, because if you look at it, right, a coin like Mudang or Whiff or like Pepe, even Peanut, the coins that did well, they didn't do well because we had CZ or Trump doing it. It was just a complete community play that people just loved the vibes. It was purely for the vibes. Chill guy, the same. So the market, I think, is looking for something like that again. Not all these celebrity, oh, it's CZ, what, now we gotta buy his bullshit. Fuck that. So for me, I think this coin has some potential. It's not perfect, but the fact that it hasn't ragged in the last few hours, for me, it's a good sign. So never say anything.
The Mewbot just attacked one guy and popped the price for $300,000. That's insane. I mean, I've seen some videos when the Mewbot were actually pumping the price straight up to $1 billion, but not in life. It happens just now.
Wow, that is insane, bro.
Yeah.
That is super insane.
Pretty risky.
But you know, it's a no risk, no gains, no risk, no reward, no
Oh,
risk.
for sure. No
Everybody gotta do
effort,
something.
no risk, you will always be poor, guys. It's just like it's not a question. It's not even like there is no way you are lazy and not risky and you made it. I mean, there is only way if you have very rich parents, but you will lose it for sure. It just like you have to work and you have to risk.
Big news, by the way, Alex. I don't know how you guys get
Yeah.
apps in Russia, but pump.fun launched their app today.
Oh yeah, it's blocked in Russia. I mean, they block Russia, not Russia block pump.fun. Pump.fun block Russia.
Introducing the pump.fun mobile app, the best way to trade all meme coins on Solana. Create coins for free, buy and sell coins lightning fast, create watch list, manage your portfolio, and much more. Now, just when you thought that the game has become so much PvP and maybe it needs to get fixed, and a lot of people are sort of generating this hate and animosity against pump.fun, I thought it was gonna get banned. It looks like it just keeps on giving and it's getting better and better. Now they launched a complete app. I think hyper gambling is about to go through the roof. So expect carnage, but also millions of dollars in profit if you're going to be locked in on the Memecoin show every day and not trying to miss out. What do you think is how do you think this is gonna affect the market, Alex? Do you think pump.fun is gonna get banned, or this is basically things are about to go more insane?
Just for the life, I'm highly against trading anything out of your phone. I never do it, and I never suggest to anybody to do so. But for the usual person who just want to play, right, gamble, whatever, it's very good. It's more how to say, accessible by now, right? You don't have to sit down and stay tight in the in your working station. You can use your phone. You can be wherever. And previously it was UI, and you had to jump from wallet to the website and like everywhere. And if you can manage everything in the single application, it's very good. Yeah.
So you think it's going to change the game in a good way?
I think it will.
Or do you think the game is just going to become, because we have to understand the reason why the markets aren't pumping, it's because we splitting the liquidity way too thin. Because you're like, the same project have to, imagine if you're launching 6,000 coins per day. Now you've got people on the app, on their phone, are just going to be launching a coin every minute. So, and then meme coins also are now kind of, you can't say they're illegal because the president is doing it. So I feel like the number of tokens created per day will probably increase by maybe 60 times, I would say. And that's going to be interesting to see, you know. So the game will become more difficult than it is already, because now it's not about how, you know, it is easy to create a meme coin, everybody can do it. But when you can do it on your mobile app, which most people have access to, and it's more accessible, man, like you can launch 10 coins per hour if you want to. And what are the chances of you capturing the next 100x? And how many racks are there? How many people have real intentions of running a project all the way? Because if a brokey has $200 and they launch a coin, it runs up to $10,000, they will take it. They're going to rack that shit.
Right.
So I think the game is about to get even more crazier, guys. So you have to prepare. That's why you have to stick together as a community and look for the real runners all day, every freaking day out here. Because nobody is here to protect us.
I'm still looking for some place in Solana trenches. I never got my BNB anywhere, and I'm not excited at all because if you opening the...
Someone here actually shared some good news.
Go ahead.
I don't know if you saw it. This is Yuan. Thank you for sharing it. He says, Magic Eden and Claim tokens were airdropped to stakers. Just got $800. Thank you. Congratulations. So if you remember, Alex, there was an airdrop of Magic Eden. I claimed Magic Eden tokens. I made like, I think almost $100,000 from it. And then I took some profit, and then some of it I staked, and I taught the community also to stake some of their tokens because I think it was a good idea. And now there are lots of people that never claimed their tokens, and those unclaimed tokens have now been airdropped to those that staked. So guys, if you are staking your coins on Magic Eden, you better check your wallet because you more likely also received a lot of free money out there. The game is becoming competitive that the only way to win is that you have to give away more free stuff to your community, which is good.
I'm so happy for our guy Iwan because he making money the second stream in a row. What a guy, what a play. He's from Australia. What a guy.
What a G, man.
Yeah.
You gotta respect the game.
Nothing is going on. Oh my God. I mean, in BNB chain. I'm just opening the dick screener and we're looking for some play. Just curious, right? There is like 17 broccoli seal, and it was yesterday's play. It's already outdated. It's my grandfather right now.
Already outdated. How many hours do you think it's taking on average for a play to get expired?
It depends because this is like informational trend, and it's supposed to be one. After 24 hours, there's supposed to be one left only. The rest should just die. And here I can see like 17 of them the same time.
Yeah.
For good trend, it can take forever. Like I seen some examples for a good play, and it's been like 2 weeks, and it's still the same market cap, and it's rising a little bit, and I'm like happy, and it's fine. But for something like broccoli, there is 17 of them right freaking now.
Yeah, man, CZ was a good guy. With the whole broccoli thing, I don't think I like him that much anymore. That was like, they basically just destroyed the market. It's like every time you think things should be going to the right direction, someone is always coming in and just destroying every fraction. Because now we're obsessed with broccoli. But what showed in this play to me is that the market is so desperate. Like we're looking for just anything to cling to and to make some money. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah.
There is no money, so the only thing we have is like, okay, what is the potential maybe that will give us something? But I think this era of meme coins is about to end, and we're now going to go to like organic animal coins again or something like that until we make money and then everyone is happy again. Patrick here says, since I was rugged by Trump coin, I gave up on crypto, but I'm back now. Yeah, bro, that was just temporary. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Yeah, our guy had to work in McDonald's the whole like 14 days in a row to be able to be back in the trenches. Welcome
bro,
back.
Had to work in McDonald's, get like enough money, work 4 weeks in my McDonald's just to make enough money to save for 1 Solana, and then now he's back. Now it's 1 Solana and a dream. He's trying to run it all the way back, guys. Don't worry, it's a lot of us. And
I'm doing the same.
Thanks, bro, for coming back, and it's time for us to now run it back. So we're definitely gonna freaking run it back until we make all that money back and more. That's what we're here for. We missed you too. As crypto became.
Oh, I love this play. I'm not sure if this is official one. I wanna say I love this play. Wait. This may be sent. A single guy, the single guy who is alone on Valentine's Day.
The single guy?
Yeah, this one. I will send you the CA, but on the first look, it doesn't look very cool. But I love the idea. I just sent you the CA. I mean, yeah, there is insider holdings, there is top 10 holders, there is bot users for sure. And this is why I don't like this play. And this is why, guys, you have to use our links or any links to get access to cool platforms like BullX and see those details before you actually get into this play.
Yeah, what else is there? Trenches, chat, what do you say? What do you say? Is there anything to look into?
Ooh. Bitrect.
I don't. If there's one thing I'm
right.
not gonna buy though, I'm not buying any freaking broccoli. Fuck broccoli. Like it's another stupid coin to destruct the market again. Like we already got screwed over by Melania Trump with her coin. The thing is, what I don't like now is some other idiot coming out of there. Like they're so clever because they have a big account, and then they say, "Oh, I'm coming to do a meme coin now. Follow me. We're gonna do something." It's like, bro, these are meme coins. Your name or whoever you are, nobody freaking cares who you are. Okay, now this is interesting. Yo, is this the right dude? Oh, 28 minutes ago. Is this the official Doodles coin?
He's speaking about NFT.
No, yeah. So Doodles coin,
Yeah.
there's the
sure
NFT,
the one
but
you're
there is
looking
a
at
coin now. So I don't know if the coin is official. Bro, is this the one, bro? Oh, okay. I'm gonna snipe. I'm gonna buy a little bit of this.
This one, what is saying at $1.5 million in market cap.
Yeah, I just bought that one.
All right.
I'll also buy it on my bigger account, just in case it becomes a real runner.
Dev sold. I will have PTHD out of this symbol.
Dev sold. Dev bought, Dev sold.
Hey chat, is it Gray lagging or is I'm lagging? Can anybody tell me, please? Because sometimes you sound like a robot, and I want to be sure it's my internet or not my internet.
I hope it's not me.
I hope the
Chat,
same.
is it me? Yeah, I'm buying a little. Yo, can you tell me about the Doodles play? Is it the official Doodles coin, or we basically just swinging it here?
I'm not sure if they have official Doodles coin. They have an account for 400,000 followers, but I cannot find the CA over here.
Okay, so it's just another scam play. Okay, whatever makes the money, bros. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
All right, they have application. Well, maybe they have application and the CA on their application. No, they
No. If
promote
it was the official one, it would definitely be announced. This is literally just a meme. But hey, who am I to judge? Whatever runs is a runner. So I just opt in and we'll see what happens.
It's me lagging for some reason. How the flip can I be lagging one? All right.
Oh, it's actually running this dude coin.
2.1, yeah.
Oh my freaking God. Did we just find a runner, guys?
Bitrect was spamming about this coin for good 15 minutes, I guess.
Wow. Okay.
Shout out to the chat. This is our guys.
Shout out to the trench lords.
That reverb on your voice is awful. Oh, dude, there is a huge echo on my voice, I guess.
Ah, I see. So that is because I'm not wearing headphones. That's my bad.
Oh my gosh, the whole time. I'm so sorry, guys.
It's me. It's my fault. It should be gone by now.
We'll hear. What the ticker? BOOD. The current price is 2.3.
Okay, so can we? I want to study this whole doodles thing because I mean it looks like it has momentum, but what is the story? So.
Yeah, no echo by now. Perfect.
Let's see who is shilling this shit.
Oh wait, so actual runner for last 2 days is a full cent. They went all the way up to 72 million in market cap.
Yeah, but you see that's like for you to really make some good return, then you must have bought it at like 3 million or something.
Oh yeah, for sure. No, I'm not telling you or anybody what I'm buying right now. I'm not buying any shit of coins but who are already in the market for a couple of days and have no community. They just backed by some celebrity. There is no sense.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see what time are they actually pumping it, because it seems like everything is keep happening at like 5 a.m. my time or
Yeah.
4 a.m. your time. Alex, you keep plugging. I have no idea why. Well, let me just close every single thing I have. Discord. No Discord.
I think on tomorrow's stream we have to start early and stream for a long time, but we have to test it multiple times before we go.
Right, nothing but stream can now take my internet, so we'll...
That we have moved completely from all the nonsense and the bad days. We're now completely back to memes again. If you think about it, look at the top gainers in the last 24 hours. There is no AI there.
Right.
There is literally no AI. It's
It's just
CZ's dog.
memes.
All memes, bro. All memes. So I think we're back, guys. I feel like the trenches are back. Peanut the squirrel at 28%. Like everything is kind of back a little bit. Dog we've had at 76 cents is now kind of back. Memecoin, pure, like we freaking back. However, I wouldn't be if tomorrow is still green, I wouldn't be surprised if the AI plays are now back even stronger. All right. So, you know,
The chill guy is up 15% out of the deep, which is pretty cool. I was always believing in it. It seems like, yeah, we are back, but like, do you believe of the metrics and institutions who are playing with a price, like institutions as market makers? What they doing everything on purpose?
Yo,
And they want to hold the price, or yeah, go ahead.
looks like the Doodles play is actually playing out. It's like 2.3 million now. What the fuck? Okay, I doubt it.
Dude was calling it for us at the 400k. I was looking at it.
Oh my god! I should have looked, man. Cause it cooked. Now it's 2.3
No, I mean,
million.
Bitrek were texting in the chat at 400. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if it could just
Will-
run up to 60 mil, I would be the happiest man tomorrow.
Habibi, how did you get my viewer? They asking you in the chat, will XRP reach 10K one day? How did you manage to get those guys?
Wow, I think
This is my viewers.
exactly, and it must have balls to ask such a question, by the way, because that is a very, very strong question. Look, I think we're struggling again with this stream, because it looks like I got disconnected. On my side, it looks like the stream is showing me that I've been streaming for 48 seconds.
Oh my
But-
gosh.
Yeah, and then you're breaking up a lot, so we might have to just rag it.
Sounds very bad. Yeah, but we stream for a good hour.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we just have to we have to get ready before the stream and stream for a longer time. Just avoid every single thing around and just stream for a longer period of time and discuss a bunch of the things and actually trade.
Yeah, I think tomorrow we have to work on like a plan on the streaming platforms to make sure we don't struggle with these or problems that we're facing now all the time. It's kind of strange, you know?
Dude rugged. Not rugged, but 1.3 mil.
Oh, who racked now? We got racked on Doodles?
Yeah. I mean, it's 900K right now.
Oh my freaking god, guys. Is this the game we're gonna play now? Already? It shows 2.3 million on mine, so I don't know. Like, yeah, but... oh, you're
500
right.
and my side.
Fuck, yeah, we got racked. Yo, so many Jeets right now, guys. You're gonna rack $2.1 million for real?
It's like the guy who were happy to rug and teach how to rug on the $7 or something.
This is exactly why I hate poor people, because they rug coins at $2 freaking million.
If you decided to rug, at least play it cool.
Guys, the only way to stop this problem is we have to get rid of all poor people. Then nobody's gonna be rugging a $2 million coin.
This is such a praise. This is so funny.
You rugged us again, bro.
Oh my gosh.
They rugged us again. Like, come on, guys. We can't be playing the game like this. We have to be enjoying the plays, but you're rugging at freaking $800. Okay. Anyway, I think let's rug the stream because I already got kicked off X. Mine is not streaming on X. It's so
Oh my
ridiculous.
gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel so sorry. Yeah, let's just prepare a little bit more. Actually, I'm not streaming either. For some reason, this is very weird.
Yeah.
I have no
think-
life on X.
I think we might have to look into restream directly again. I don't know, like something. We have to change something.
I'm paying for the Streamlabs right now. It is pretty legit. Like, it's very helpful. But if we